Hello everyone, it's your girl Adora Gold. Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing a little bit something different from usual because I've been having a lot of calls on this very topic and I feel I should share. Today we'll be talking about health and care worker visa to the UK. So stay tuned. When we come back, we'll explore.
Then you put your hand, go walk. Your name go open doors. You self go be a boss. Amen. Amen. Everything you put your hand, go walk. Your name go open doors. You self go be a boss. Amen. Amen.
Now, welcome back to my channel. Well, let's break it down. So you can apply for a job through the NHS or NHS suppliers in social care. So now, if you're a doctor, if you're a nurse, if you're a healthcare professional, works for eligible in eligible health or social care background, so this is for you. But now, the issue is not just the visa or the application. The issue is some people are scamming people based on this. I'm going to put you through what should be done and what should not be done. This is a disclaimer. I'm a lawyer, but I'm not giving you an advice on what to do, but I'm giving you a general advice. So for more information, contact a solicitor or contact another consulting recruitment agencies so they can give you a full background of what is required so you don't get caught up with scammers, because a lot of people are eating people based on this. Now let's talk about recruitment and eligibility. So you don't just apply for visa, you have to get a sponsor. So you have to get a certificate of sponsorship from your sponsor. Your sponsor means that you have to find like an agency, like a care agency or hospital who are looking for people like you to apply through them. When you make that application through them, then they will give you a certificate of sponsorship to say, okay, we are offering you a job, so you can use that certificate to apply for visa from your various countries. So there's no medical subcharge, and the processing time is 3 weeks. It doesn't take long as your documents are intact. So you have to have a minimum salary that will be offered to you from your employer. So you have to make sure that there's a proof of how much you'll be earning, and also you have to have minimum of £1,270 in your account that is not touched for more than 28 days, for less than 28 days. So you have to make sure you have that amount, £1,270 in your account. So that allows you to be able to use it to process your visa. So now there are other things that need to get your attention to. Some people and agencies are actually scamming people on this because they tell you, come, oh, let me do it for you. Oh, come, I can apply for you. I've spoken to a lot of people. I'm not doing it specifically, but I can advise, I can give you a general advice, and if you need more information, you can contact me or you contact your solicitor or any recruiting agency. So the thing is this, people are scamming people, telling people, I can do it for you, pay me so amount of money. The Home Office made it free. There are lists of agencies that the Home Office have mapped out where you can apply for this job. So under this video, I will put a link of those agencies so you can apply through the agencies to come. If they're able to recruit you and they're able to give you a sponsorship, then you will use those documents to apply for the visa. You're not meant to buy your sponsorship. It's supposed to be free. But before you make an application or through an agency for a job, you have to make sure that that agency has what is called code of practice. So that code of practice, they have to be qualified for that. If the agency are not qualified for that, do not apply through that agency, because the Home Office have made this code of practice or code of conduct so that to promote a high standard, that the agency has to have what is called a license of sponsorship. If the agencies don't have license of sponsorship, they will not offer visas. There are a lot of care homes that are giving certificates of sponsorship. Meanwhile, they don't have license of sponsorship. So the issue there is you have to make sure, you have to check them to make sure that they have license of sponsorship, or you ask them. Make sure you ask questions. Do you have license of sponsorship? I know why I'm repeating it, because without license of sponsorship and you have everything, you will lose your money. So you won't be able to get a visa, because the Home Office made it clear that the agency has to have license of sponsorship to be able to issue certificates of sponsorship. A few things that you need to be aware of. So you have to have like a minimum salary, you have to have a knowledge of English language, you have to have a passport that is valid, from a valid passport. You have to make sure you don't have a criminal record. You have to have the record certificate to show that you don't have a criminal record. So, and also you have to, the visa is valid for 12 months, and after 12 months, which you can renew. So you have to have proof of fund in your account, like I said earlier, so you get a 50% fee reduction. So what else do you need to know? You don't have to have a healthcare background, but you can be trained for this. So I hope I made myself clear enough. So if you have any questions, you can write it down in the comments. I would add to this video some links to the Home Office websites for more information, what you need to know and the things you need to know. So we'll be doing more videos on legal matters. So yeah, so stay tuned, and I'll see you when I come back again. Take care. It's your girl Adora Gold. Please, if I've done you a favor, please try to subscribe to our channel, because I'll be sharing with you legal matters, sharing with you the latest news from Home Office. I'll be sharing with you anything pertaining visas, because especially now there are other visas that Home Office have made available, so which is starting next month in March. So stay tuned. I will talk about it in our next video. So if you need advice, seek for legal help. Thank you so much, and I'll see you back again. Cheers.